and the co-design of the Exascale systems. So this is work that is coming. So what is the roadmap? So you can see this on this slide, okay? It's aggregating everything. So at the bottom, you have the implementation timing for the procurement systems. So you have the 2 exascales, 2 or 3 petascales to start operation 2021. If they have to start operation 2021, that means procurement has to start not later than N19. Okay? So we have rough time to make sure that we are working on the RFPs documentation and agreeing with the vendors on the possibilities. Then the 2 machines, Exascale, to be in 22, 23 implemented. So this is not clear, and this is one including European technology. In the upper part of the graph, you can see the different timing of the research programs. So starting from the topmost is the delivery or the creation of the European processor. So there is an initiative in Europe called API, European Processor Initiative, financed by the European Commission and the Member States, starting funding with 100 million euros. And they are planning to develop different generation of processors with different stages. Of course, this is not possible to be already implemented in the pre-exascale systems, because this will not be the new technology, but we are looking forward that we are able to implement in the future. Please visit some of the booths on the exhibition floor, that there are some partners that can give you information on this specific project. Of course, this Arrow EuroHPC joint undertaking is the code name for a private company at the European level. We'll start operation early 2019, and it will stay in operation in standby for the duration of the program. So this entity will be running the procurements and will be financing the research. Okay, so this is the objective. And in the bottom you can see financing for software, for application, co-design, and possibly integration of these technologies in what is so-called extreme scale demonstrators that will enable to start trying the different technologies that we have been funded in the Commission for number 4, 5, 6 years. So we want to have some demonstrators to be able to find out if this technology is prepared for the exascale systems to come. So, latest news just from yesterday, and this is for me very showing the end of the history of this political road. So at the European Parliament, they have been given the signal to develop the European HPC strategy. So with this, next step is this company, the EuroHPC, to be established and to start operation and to start implementing in the next years this procurement of these new systems and making sure that the research we are developing in Europe is on the track to be successful in 22, 23 to have exascale systems, as we saw for the presentations today from US, Japan, and I hope that we'll see for China next. Okay, this is concluding my presentation. So EuroHPC is working to establishing the ecosystem on HPC around Europe, and this is shown by the machines that are providing the services through PRAISE. Thank you.
Thanks for such a nice talk, and I have a message. It's unfortunate, I'm very sorry, because Professor Kai Lu had a sudden illness and went to hospital. We hope he will be fine. And fortunately, we have Dr. Ruibo Wang, also from NUDT, can appear to give us the talk. Thanks, Ruibo. 那上面有。有是吧？
Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Reibo Wang from NUDT China, and I'll give you a fast introduction about China's plans. And first of all, the supercomputing ability increased 1,000 times per 10 years, and recent years, China are releasing 10He series supercomputers, including 10He 1, 10He 2, and last year we upgraded 10He 2 to 10He 2A, and Taihu Lite. But after the upgrade, 10He 2A just got the 4th place, this year. And Summit is the number 1 this year. Next step, China has the plan to make an exascale system.